talk about how can you fix this problem on your Character.ai app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have, so it's going to take you to your profile or it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, so then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Character.ai app, or just click on search, then here add Character.ai. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, then you click on OK. So then you click on just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on your Play Store here, then you search for Character.ai app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.